Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through a very essential topic for any team or business project management tools. We'll understand what they are, why they matter, and explore popular examples that you can use to manage work more efficiently. A project management tool is basically software that helps teams plan, organize, and manage tasks. It brings everything from assigning responsibilities to tracking deadlines into one place. Whether you're a student managing a group project or a business team handling large campaigns, these tools simplify the entire process. Let's look at what these tools offer. They help track tasks and milestones, which keeps everyone aligned. Teams can collaborate easily, share files, monitor timelines, and use visual tools like Gantt charts and Kanban boards. Reporting and dashboards give you live insights into your project's progress. There are several benefits. First, they boost productivity by keeping everyone on track. Second, communication becomes smooth. No more endless email chains. Everything's centralized, making it easier to manage time and resources. These tools also help you identify risks early and track the project in real time. Here are some popular tools. Trello is great for visual task management. Asana is awesome for team collaboration and planning. Jira is widely used in tech teams for Agile and Scrum. ClickUp combines task management, docs, and goals. And for large scale enterprise projects, Microsoft Project is often the go to choice. So, when should you actually use a project management tool? Anytime you're handling multiple people, tasks, or timelines, especially if you're working remotely, managing different departments, or dealing with complex workflows. These tools help bring structure and clarity. To summarize, project management tools help team work smarter, not harder. They keep your projects on track, your team organized, and your deadlines met. Choosing the right tool depends on your team's size, workflow, and project complexity. But the goal is always the same: effective project delivery. Thank you.